Okay, good afternoon everyone. This is your spoken class, so grade 4th. Welcome to your spoken class. Okay, so today we will read these basic sentences about how to use and how to ask questions. Sometimes questions asked by some other people also. So how to answer those questions. We will discuss that today. So let's start with our basic sentences. Yes. Okay, so our first sentence is I do not mean it. When to use these kinds of sentence? I do not mean it. Sometimes we make joke with someone. कभी कभी हम किसी के साथ जोक कर लेते हैं तो इट हैपन्स कि वो हमसे नाराज हो जाता है. दे डोंट फील लाइक. तो हमको ये बोलना है कि मेरे बोलने का मतलब ये नहीं था. डोंट टेक मी रॉन्ग. आई डू नॉट मीन इट. तो मेरे बोलने का मतलब ये नहीं था. इसका मतलब कि मुझे गलत मत समझो. So in that case you can use this kind of sentence. Next is our how much is it. So when this kind of sentence is used, when we ask for something, means amount of something. किसी भी चीज़ की हम कुछ amount पूछते हैं किसी को, we ask for some rates. So that time we use these kinds of sentences. How much is it? Okay. Next is your how old are you. This I think you very well know that this is asked when someone asks you about your age. Yes, how old are you. तुम कितने बड़े हो, कितने साल के हो. So in that case these kinds of sentences are used. So 3 sentences we have covered till now. Next is our how was your weekend. In our previous classes, I asked you many times that how you spent your weekends. We have discussed many paragraphs related to that. That how was your weekend? Okay. So, जब आपसे कोई मिलता है बाद में, if someone meets you later, or if your teacher asks you when you come back on Monday to school, then teacher asks, how was your weekend? How did you spend your weekend? So आपने कैसे spend किया? Okay, so this is asked for that. Next is your what did you say. So जब हम किसी से पूछ रहे हैं कि क्या कहा तुमने, है ना, what did you say, तुमने क्या कहा. Sorry कई बार होता है कि हम सुन नहीं पाते. Sorry I did not hear. What did you say? Sorry I cannot hear. What did you say? क्या बोला आपने, मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया. So could you please repeat your sentence or could you please repeat your words कि what did you say, आपने क्या कहा. Next is your what do you need. So what do you need, आपको क्या चाहिए, आपको क्या चाहिए. You can use this like if someone is searching for something. अगर कुछ ढूंढ रहा है कोई, so you can ask that what do you need. क्या आप कुछ ढूंढ रहे हो. आर यू सर्चिंग फॉर समथिंग. डू यू नीड एनीथिंग. व्हाट डू यू नीड. ओके, सो these kinds of questions are asked in different situations, in different different time, and in different situation you can use these kinds of questions. Next, what do you think. Okay, so where did we stop? We have already completed our 3 questions. I do not mean. How much is it? How old are you? How was your weekend? What did you say? What do you need? So we have already completed all these questions. Okay, that how to use and where to use. Now what we will do, we will do our next sentence. What do you think? आप क्या सोचते हो. So this kind of sentence also we can use in different forms, like when we are asked for something, कि जब हमसे कोई अपनी राय मांगता है, that time also we can say that what do you think, आपकी क्या राय है इस बारे में. इस बारे में आप क्या सोचते हो? इन some other kinds of situation also, that what do you think, कि क्या सोचते हो कि बारिश आएगी कि नहीं आएगी? Will it rain? What do you think about the current situation? So these kinds of questions are also asked in different situations. So different situations में हम ये चीजें पूछ सकते हैं. We can ask this in different kinds of situation also. Next is your what do you want to do? तुम क्या करना चाहते हो? Okay, what do you want to do? So like further in your future, what do you want to do? This also could be asked कि आगे आप क्या करना चाहते हो. और ये भी है कि what do you want to do, कि अब आओ और तुम क्या करना चाह रहे हो, और तुम क्या काम करना चाहते हो. और मतलब यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस सब्जेक्ट, सपोज इन कि जो काम अभी कर रहे हैं, जो सब्जेक्ट हम पढ़ रहे हैं, वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. सो दैट टाइम ऑल्सो यू कैन यू कुड बी आस्क्ड बाय समवन, यू कुड बी आस्क्ड बाय योर टीचर. आपके टीचर भी आपको पूछ सकते हैं कि व्हाट डू यू वांट. चलो ठीक है, ये नहीं करना चाह रहे हो, बताओ आप क्या करना चाह रहे हो, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू डू. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज योर what do you want. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए, तुम क्या चाहते हो और तुम्हें क्या चाहिए. what do you want. अगर आप सपोज कुछ ढूंढ रहे हो तो मैम आपसे पूछ सकती है ना कि what do you want. तुमको क्या चाहिए? पेन चाहिए, पेंसिल चाहिए, स्केल चाहिए, नोटबुक चाहिए, आंसर्स चाहिए. so anything at home also it could be asked by someone that what do you want. क्या चाहिए तुमको, क्या ढूंढ रहे हो कब से. ओके, so these kinds of sentences. Now what's the weather like? what's the weather like. weather कैसा है ना, किस तरह का वेदर है. अच्छा है, बुरा है, ठंडा है, गर्म है, इट्स कोल्ड और इट्स हॉट, it's humid or it's rainy. so what's the weather like. किसकी तरह है वेदर. so where are you going, तो कहाँ जा रहे हो, है ना. so कोई भी पूछ सकता है ना. at home also it could be asked. so you should know how to answer these kinds of questions in different situations. like if it is asked by your mother that where are you going, so mom, I am going to play in the garden. okay, you can ask your mother, mom, where are you going, I am going to market to purchase something. okay, so you can ask your siblings, and अपने भाई बहन को आप पूछ सकते हो where are you going. so he or she may reply that I am going to stationery shop or I am going out to play. so in different situations you can give different answers, but you should know how to answer and when to answer. okay, now is all good, सब ठीक चल रहा है, या sometimes it is seen that हम upset लगते हैं. कभी कभी हम upset लगते हैं ना. then also it is asked that is all good, is everything all right. पूछते ना किसी को सब ठीक तो चल रहा है ना, ऐसे तबीयत तो ठीक है ना, मूड क्यों खराब है ना. sometimes our mood is off, then also we are asked by our friends, by our well wishers, by our elders, क्या हो गया आज, इतना मूड क्यों ऑफ है, what happened. okay, fine. next, see you next time. okay, so see you next time क्या होता है, मिलते हैं, अगली बार मिलते हैं. या समटाइम्स ये होता है कि हम कहीं पे हैं और हमारे जो फ्रेंड है थोड़ी देर बाद पहुंचे हैं. सो सॉरी यार, यू आर लेट और आई गॉट टू गो, मुझे जाना पड़ेगा. सो सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम, थोड़े दिन बाद फिर मिलते हैं. या अगली बार जब भी मिलेंगे तब हम ज़रूर मिलेंगे, अगली बार जब भी टाइम होगा विल मीट अगेन. सो ऑन दैट नोट यू कैन यूज सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. ओके, नेक्स्ट, सो आई डू. तो जैसे सो आई डू मतलब क्या हो गया, जैसे तुम अगर कोई काम, आपने कोई काम किया है ना, तो हम बोलते हैं ना, मैं भी बिल्कुल ऐसे ही करती हूँ. So the way you do, so I do. So the same way I also do this, the way you does your work. I decline. Decline मतलब क्या होता है? हटा देना, छोड़ देना. ओके, सो I decline. मैं इस चीज को हटा रहा हूँ, मैं इस चीज को डिनाई करता हूँ, मैं इस चीज को रिमूव कर रहा हूँ. So I don't want this thing like that. Okay, this was all for today. The rest of the sentences we will discuss in our next session, and I hope you all enjoyed the session. You have understood how to use. In our next session, I'll again use the same questions. I'll ask you the same questions, and I want different kinds of answers from you all. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow.